I'm going to your channel, Ate Peche. Ah, you have a lot of subscriber already. Matagal ka na palang nag-ano, I do live everyday, okay. Matagal ka na palang nag-ano, nag-vlog. Ilang years ka nang nagba-vlog, che? I need to go battery low. Thank you so much. Okay, Nexon. Hi, Nexon. I would like to say thank you to you, Nexon, for sending super sticker. I saw it in my short video. Nexon, thank you so much. Since pandemic, matagal na pala. Okay, matagal ka na pala. Kasi ako nitong January lang eh. I started my life, my life here in YouTube since this January. Matagal na akong may YouTube channel, pero parang Facebook lang, parang hindi ko siya inaano. Hindi ko siya trinatrabaho. Pero ngayon, since January, trinabaho ko siya. My queen, we're going to get married. What? What? Wow, kaya pala may collaboration ka na sa mga friend mo. Okay. Hi everyone! Ito naman, nakakanuto. Kanina pa to. Hi everyone! I have Carabao video. I got 271 views. Yeah, oo. Buti naman, ang laki, no? Minsan kanina sa algorithm din yan eh. Or curious yung mga tao about that. So, kung saan mataas ang views mo, dapat dun ka i-maintain mo. Kasi yun ang gusto nila. Okay, then I will send you other two. Okay, patient next day. Thank you so much, Nexon. Yeah, I saw your super sticker, Nexon, in my short video. Thank you so much. You are single? Yes, I am single and ready to mingle. I am single, guys. Yes. Matagal na, but recently lang ako nag-active since umuwi lang ng province. Okay. Puro monetize ka naman, 'di ba? Di pag monetize ka, tuloy mo na eh. Ayan, may super thanks ka naman eh. Kahit hindi ka naman kahit basta importante talaga pag ano ka, mag-upload ka ng mga short videos. Ano yan, buko? The wind is blowing so hard. Strong winds. Hi everyone! Welcome to the jungle. Yes, monetize na. That's great. Congratulations, Tipiche. Tagal mo na palang nagla-live eh. Wonderlove31, what do you think of my friend Tipiche? She's nice. She's okay. Why are you asking me? Jo. Bye, Tipiche. Bye, Tipiche, Jo, and Ross and Bruce. Ross and Bruce. Okay, Nexon. Bye to you, Nexon. See you again. Please sticker always. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. It's so... You know, guys, because of this strong wind, the papaya that I climbed yesterday, it's now dead. Oh, no more papaya. There is one more. Look at that, guys. Look at this, my surroundings. It's all windy. The trees are dancing. Lakas ng hangin. Yes, because we have typhoon here, guys.